Hello and welcome back. A new week of math learning. Last week we began chapter 6 and you guys did a great job with the prior knowledge and a little warm up on finding the volume of rectangular prisms. This week you'll have 3 modules. It's chapter 2, section 2, module 1, module 2, and module 3. Our objective for the week and your I can statement is I can find the volume of solids made up of unit cubes. And I can find the volumes of rectangular prisms and cubes. All 3 modules have the same I can statement. So we're going to really focus on it this week and next week. To get to your Nearpod lessons, you can simply click the link here. Remember, anything that is blue and underlined is a direct link. You can get to your math assignment page right here. If you click that, that takes us right to assignments in our math class. And again, these are set up for you to do 2 in a row and then take a break, reflect and review, and then do the third one. But again, you guys do it however it works out best for you and your family. This is just a suggested way of completing your assignments. A reminder that they are due by Friday at 2:30. Please remember to hit turn in work on the assignment section on the Google Classroom page, okay? Also, here is your overview of the week. We're looking at that right now. Again, reflect and review. We have 2 days built in for that. Please, if you're having trouble, visit our Zoom meetings. They're on Monday and Wednesday at 2:30. 2:30, Monday, I usually do a little mini lesson of what's coming up in the week. And then on Wednesday, if you feel like you need some help, I'm there to help you with whatever questions you might have. And again, you don't have to wait till Monday or Wednesday. You can always contact me through Google Hangouts, okay? I also put a link in this week for extra help with Solve from Khan Academy. It's a nice video that he shares. And there's also several on Khan Academy. You guys know how to get there and search for what you're looking for if you need help. And do the practice problems too, if you want. It's not required though, okay? Optional extras, as always, if you click this, that takes us to our main page in our Google Classroom where a lot of things are posted links. Splash Learn, I have lessons posted on there, but they are optional. It's just additional help practice if you want to do it. And I think the games are fun. And then there's always Scratch and scooching down here, Study Island. So those are our lessons for the week. I hope you have a really nice weekend, and I will see you Monday.